What's good, y'all? This is my first trade on the live funded. Well, I did take a trade yesterday, but Top Step malfunctioned, so I only made $10 yesterday. But this is about to be the second trade I take. Nice setup here on NASDAQ from the short. As soon as we get a break of the candle low, I'll enter. Boom. I just entered right there. Move my stop up here. And I'm going to target a 1 to 3, y'all. Target a 1 to 3. Me targeting a 1 to 3, that'll be $2,020. I did one high on the risk though, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I wasn't trying to risk 664. I was really trying to risk 500. So as soon as we tap 1 to 1, I'm gonna go ahead and move to break even as soon as we tap 1 to 1, y'all. Currently floating 300 in profit. I don't know if y'all can see my screen for it because it's kind of bright. But yeah, y'all, as soon as we tap 1 to 1, I'm gonna go ahead and trail into break even just to secure some profit. Overall, this looks like a nice setup. We've been selling off since market open, right? We had a breakup structure right here, clean breakup structure, just clean setup right here, clean breakup structure, right? Price left in imbalance. We came, we tapped into the zone, we wicked into the zone, we didn't even close into the zone, right? And the next candle that formed, we broke the candle low, and I entered at the break of the candle, exactly at the break of the candle, right? So now I'm just waiting for price tap 1 to 1. I'm gonna try to 1 to 1. We tap 1 to 2. I'm actually, if we tap 1 to 2, that'll be $1,300, right? If we tap 1 to 2, I'm gonna trail immediate to 1 to 2, and I'm gonna let runners run to 1 to 3. But overall, y'all, this is a nice setup here on NASDAQ. Very nice setup. We're getting close to tapping that 1 to 1. I would love to break this low right here. If I could break this low, that'll just be a strong indication. Okay, we're gonna continue to push down. We might tap 1 to 2, right? But overall, we pushing. Currently up $488 in profit. I just need to tap 1 to 1 so I could trail to break even, y'all. Currently in Pennsylvania. See the mountain with my window down, so I got a clear view. Right. Currently in Pennsylvania. Roll my window back up. Alright, y'all, I just need that tap, man. I just need that tap. Tap that 1 to 1 so I can trail to break even. And I actually got to pick up this load. So as soon as we tap 1 to 1, I'm gonna move into break even and I'm gonna start driving. Alright, we're getting real close. Let me go ahead and start trailing a little bit. I just need that tap, y'all. I just need that tap. Just need the tap. Just need the tap. Alright, we up 628. I'm gonna trail to break even, y'all. We ain't tap, but I'm trailing to break even because we about to tap, literally. We're so close to tapping. So secure 20 in profit. Slight rejection. We ain't even tap yet. Slight rejection. We ain't even tap. But I feel like we will. Just so I could justify me moving my stop to break even. We so close, literally like a couple ticks away. By the tap. Come on, man. Come on. You right there, bro. You right there. Let me zoom in for y'all. See, we literally got this little small gap. I just need a tap. Right. But anyways, this is the trade setup here, y'all. So we didn't tap 1 to 1 yet, but I'm gonna continue to hold because I feel like price is gonna continue pushing downwards. So I'm gonna continue to hold this trade. I'm actually gonna hop on the road right now, and I'm gonna let the trade play out while I'm driving. I'm gonna keep my laptop right there on the dash. That way I can see it while I'm driving. You know, if anything, I can monitor it. But overall, y'all, this is looking good. Currently up 600 in profit. Let's see why we're rejecting right here. Let's see. Let me drop down to the 1 minute time frame. So we're struggling to break that low right there. We're struggling right here. Okay, we just tapped. Boom. 1-to-1 is justified. I mean, break even is justified. So let me to the 5 minute. I need to break this low right here. We might reject right here though, I ain't gonna lie, cause we failed to break this low, but this candle could push and break that low. So I'm gonna continue to hold, wait and see, y'all. Overall, we up 600, and yeah, I would love a strong push right here to just break this low right here. No retracement, just push downwards. That's what I'm looking for, y'all. That is what I'm looking for. Can we get that? I feel like we will. Can we get that? Come on, come on. Okay, we just broke that low. Currently up 788 in profit. I need to get the 1 to 2 though in order for me to trail. Get the 1 to 2 in order for me to trail. Chill a little bit. Actually, no, I can't even do that because we need tap 1 to 2. So I'm gonna leave it right here. Follow my rules. Be disciplined. Follow my rules and be disciplined, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the road, and I'm gonna keep y'all tapped in on how the trade play out. If it goes up and hit my break even, or if we end up coming down and just pushing the 1 to 2. Overall, this was a nice setup I took, and yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all tapped in, but I'm gonna hop on the road though. Alright, y'all, I didn't even leave the parking spot and we already hit break even. So I was supposed to secure 1-to-1, but you know I couldn't because we ain't at 1 to 2, so there's no point in securing 1-to-1, right? But overall, this was a nice setup on NASDAQ. So yeah, I'm gonna just come back tomorrow. I took 1 trade a day. I'm not gonna enter again just because we just pushed up, but overall, this was a nice setup. Currently, I was up at least 800 on a day. I secured $10. You feel me? But overall, this was a nice trade setup, y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the road.